unifying all Filipinos.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. In this video, we will show you on how to apply for the DepEd Alternative Learning System or ALS in the Philippines. Kung gusto mong makabalik sa pag-aaral at makakuha ng pagkakataong makatapos ng elementary or high school, this guide is for you. So watch until the end at ipapaliwanag namin ang buong process ng simple at madaling maintindihan. What is DepEd ALS? Ang Alternative Learning System or ALS ay isang libreng programa mula sa Department of Education or DepEd para sa mga kabataang out of school, matatanda, at iba pang nais ipagpatuloy ang kanilang pag-aaral kahit hindi sila nakapasok sa regular na paaralan due to work, family responsibilities, financial problems, disability, or other personal reasons. Through ALS, learners can study at their own pace with the help of trained ALS teachers or facilitators. Layunin nitong matulungan ng bawat Pilipino na magkaroon ng edukasyon kahit hindi sila nakapag-aral sa tamang panahon. Purpose: give access to free education, help out-of-school youth and adults, improve reading, writing, and life skills, prepare learners for employment or higher education, promote lifelong learners. The Alternative Learning System was developed by the Department of Education to support the constitutional right of every Filipino to quality education. It became stronger through different education reforms and continues to help billions of Filipinos complete their basic education outside the regular classroom. Hanggang ngayon, patuloy na pinalalawak ng DepEd ang ALS upang mas maraming Pilipino ang mabigyan ng pagkakataong makapag-aral. Benefits of ALS. Maraming magandang benepisyo ang ALS. Una, free education, flexible learning schedule, no need to attend regular daily classes, can finish elementary or junior high school level, opportunity to take the accreditation and equivalency or ANE assessment when available, better chance of getting a job, can continue to senior high school, college, or technical vocational education if qualified, improves confidence and life skills. Sa madaling salita, ang ALS ay nagbibigay ng pangalawang pagkakataon para maabot ang iyong mga pangarap. Who can apply? Narito ang mga maaaring mag-enroll sa ALS. Ikaw ay dapat Filipino learners, out-of-school youth, adults who did not finish elementary or high school, learners who cannot attend regular classes, working students, persons with disabilities who can benefit from the program, indigenous peoples, learners living in remote communities, and persons deprived of liberty through ALS programs available in certain facilities. Kung ikaw ay huminto sa pag-aaral noon, maaari kang maging qualified sa ALS. Requirements. Narito naman ang mga karaniwang requirements. Accomplished enrollment form, birth certificate if available, previous school records if available, recent ID picture if requested, valid ID when applicable, at barangay certificate or proof of residence if requested by the learning center. Take note, kung wala kang dating school records, huwag agad mawala ng pag-asa. Makipag-usap lamang sa ALS teacher dahil maaari ka pa rin matulungan depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Procedures on how to apply in ALS. Una, visit the nearest DepEd Schools Division Office, Community Learning Center or CLC or public school offering ALS. humingi ng application or enrollment form, fill out the form completely. Siguraduhin tama ang lahat ng impormasyon. Ipasa ang lahat ng hinihinging requirements. Attend the orientation or interview if required. May ilang learning centers na nagsasagawa ng orientation upang ipaliwanag ang programa. Take the initial assessment. Maaaring magkaroon ng assessment upang malaman ang inyong learning level. Wait for your class schedule. Kapag kumpleto na ang proseso, ibibigay sa iyo ang schedule ng inyong klase. Start learning. Makakasama mo ang ALS teacher at iba pang learners sa inyong learning sessions. What subjects will you learn? Sa ALS, iba't ibang mahalagang aralin ng iyong matututunan. Examples include layunin ng ALS na ihanda ang mga learners hindi lamang sa pag-aaral kundi sa totoong buhay. Learning schedule. Isa sa pinakamagandang bagay sa ALS ay ang flexible schedule. Depending on the learning center, classes may be the following. Ito ay malaking tulong lalo na sa mga nagtatrabaho. Fees. Good news. Enrollment in the DepEd Alternative Learning System is free. However, learners please spend for personal transportation, school supplies, or document photocopies if needed. So, saan mo nga ba ito pwedeng ma-avail? You may enroll at DepEd School Division Offices, community learning centers, public schools offering ALS, and other DepEd recognized ALS Learning Center. Maaari rin magtanong sa inyong mga barangay or local government unit kung saan ang pinakamalapit na ALS Center. Important reminders. Bago tayo magtapos, narito ang ilang paalala. Enrollment schedules may vary by location. Bring original documents whenever possible. Keep photocopies of your documents. Attend orientation and scheduled learning sessions. Coordinate directly with your local DepEd ALS coordinator for updated schedules and requirements. Study regularly to prepare for assessments. And always check official announcements from DepEd. We do not provide direct assistance with DepEd. Ang video na ito ay ginawa upang magbigay ng impormasyon lamang. Kung kayo ay may other questions or clarification, please visit ang kanilang official website at socials. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know your thoughts at ilagay sa ating comment section. And don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. I-click ang notification bell upang maging updated ka sa mga bagong uploads at susunod na videos. Thank you for watching!